I'm also excited for some of the changes we're going to see with the forecast.
Why? Because you wanted to cool down?
I do. You know me, Markina.
Yeah.
I don't deal with heat very well.
Yeah,
Really?
it's going to
Okay.
cool down. Yeah, as we head toward the end of the week, we've got a cool down on the way for Peter.
Just for me.
Just for Peter. But get ready for that. Today, though, no cool down. And, definitely, like I said earlier, a beach day. You need to be cautious, though, because we do have a high surf advisory in effect for the south-facing beaches. We could see surf as high as 4 to 6 feet out there. So definitely watch out, but, have some fun. Let's take a look at what we're doing out there. We've got an area of high pressure in control, and that is why we are seeing really warm temperatures, really dry air in place. And again, that will continue to be what we see over the next few days, well into the first half of the work week. So here is what you need to know. The gusty north wind will continue. We've been feeling the breezes on and off throughout the course of the day as well. Warming will continue as we go through the midweek, but temperatures will drop behind an area of low pressure that is coming through by the end of the week, and that is when Peter will get his cool down. Take a look at what we're doing temperature-wise outside right now downtown. Looking at nothing but sunshine and 76 degrees. Beaches in the low 70s. Inland Empire, nice. Lots of sunshine, 85 degrees, while the folks in the mountains are looking at sunshine as well. Temperatures there are in the low 70s. So right now at USC, we're at 76 degrees. Winds are no problem there. They are nice and calm. Even Ventura County feeling the heat a little bit at 72 degrees. And Oxnard, Camarillo at 75. Van Nuys in the valley there in the low 80s. Today we started out at 62, ended up at 80 for a high. The average is 77 degrees. In terms of winds, we've got some decent gusts out here, but not too bad. Victorville looking at about just 8, but we're looking at 12 for Riverside and Corona at 13. So we'll be watching out for that as we go throughout the course of the night and also as we kick off the work week as well. Speaking of the work week, let's talk about it. Beaches tomorrow, 73 degrees, mainly sunny skies, staying in the low to mid 70s over the next few days and cool down by the end of the week to the low 70s there. LA and Orange County tomorrow looking at 82 degrees, 83 as we get into Tuesday. Cooling down for you as well as that system makes its way through by the end of the week. Valleys looking at 89 degrees and mainly sunny for tomorrow to start out the work week. For the high desert, we're giving you low 90s not only tomorrow, but Tuesday and Wednesday as well, while the mountains will see highs right around 75 tomorrow. That's a look at the forecast, guys. Back to you.
I appreciate it. All right. Thanks, Markina.